Once your script has speaker tags, you need to assign voices to them. Let's walk through how that works. Voice automatically tracks speakers from your script. Every time you insert a speaker pill using the / command, they appear in the speakers panel on the left. The color dot next to each name matches the pill color in the editor, so you can track who's who at a glance. If a speaker doesn't have a voice assigned yet, you'll see an amber warning. The panel also shows how many speakers are assigned out of the total. Click Assign to open the voice picker. You can search by name, filter by category, or filter by type. Built-in voices or your own cloned voices. Hit the play button next to any voice to hear a preview before committing. There are a lot of voices to choose from. When you find the right one, click to select it. The popover closes and that speaker is now assigned. If you close the picker without choosing, Voice assigns a default voice, so you can always generate. Already assigned a voice and want to change it? Just click the speaker again. The picker reopens with your current selection marked by a check. Pick a different voice, and it updates immediately. Existing audio on the timeline won't change until you regenerate, so you can experiment freely. The voice picker remembers your recently used voices at the top. That's handy when you're working with the same cast across multiple scripts. And the search bar filters in real time. Type a name or keyword and the list narrows instantly. For content without speaker pills, audiobooks, narration, documentation, the speakers panel shows a narrator voice picker instead. Just pick the voice you want for the entire script. It's simpler than inserting a speaker pill for every paragraph. One tip worth mentioning: if you're working on a multi-episode project, assign the same voices to the same characters across all your scripts. Voice assignments are per script, so you'll need to set them each time. Keeping a consistent cast makes your content sound professional and cohesive. That's speaker management. Next, let's explore the full voice library.